to decide in life whether to go this way or to decide that way. It depends mainly on our thoughts. But primarily, we are not best at deciding our choices, but later on, after deciding any path, we can conclude our situation, or else we can get back to the self over and over repetition during the cycles of our items. Like if you practice in it, we come to know how we are good at facing the balls in a cricket, and we can go through the matches of test, and later on we'll be tested how we are fit for the match. In the similar fashion, we have to choose a way that which fits for us. Sometimes we may not conclude our situation in deciding our actions, which will judge us or which will suit us. Like if you are good at writing, you may choose writings, or if you are good at talking, you may choose anchoring, or you can host the shows at your college levels and school days. You are good at debates, you can do seminars in assemblies, you can be a good motivator or a good speaker, and you can direct different principles of different mindsets, and you can communicate with those minds. Likewise, you have to choose your way at which you can build your knowledge and you can build yourself to get a stable point in the future, and by making a mark of yourself in the pitch that you have chosen. And don't judge yourself at the starting levels of this choosing, so that they had done best at the starting entry level. I am not doing this and I am not willing to do this, and what's the next for me, and what will the changes and what will affect in my knowledge. And don't go for all these unwanted things, because this will not make you as confident as you are in the primary stages, and never force you to do any action. And just don't go forcefully by any activity. Include yourself wantedly and do as according to the situation, and participate yourself heartfully, and never quit in doing any activity. Yes, sometimes it is harder to get through the situation, but have some patience in acceptance and believe in yourself. Control all the ambitions and anxiety in yourself, and later on you will decide what you have chosen, and you'll come to know what the best choice you have made by choosing this path. And finally, what I am going to say is that choosing a path should be unified, but not concluded on the decisions of others. You have to choose your way on basis of your choices, not by the force of all other extravagance.